Hello friends, welcome to AQ by IAS YouTube channel. This session is another episode of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss about National Monetization Pipeline. So the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is supposed to launch this National Monetization Pipeline today. And this National Monetization Pipeline, it is a pipeline of central government's brownfield infrastructure projects. So in this video, we'll try to understand what this asset monetization program is, and we'll have little idea about brownfield infrastructure project. So from the prelims perspective, you must know what this asset monetization is, and from the mains perspective, you should have little idea about national monetization pipeline. In the mains examination, if something is asked related to infrastructure development, you can certainly mention about national monetization pipeline. So brownfield infrastructure projects, these are our existing projects. It means we have some projects which are underutilized, which haven't been utilized yet. So asset monetization is a tool to extract the revenue out of those projects which haven't been utilized yet. Okay, so there are two kinds of projects: greenfield, and second, brownfield. Okay, so greenfield means that you are setting up new projects. It means you are spending the money to develop new facilities. Okay, so investors, they are establishing new setups. Okay, so we can call these projects as greenfield infrastructure projects. But when you do not want to set up the new facility, rather you want to spend the money or you want to invest the money in existing facilities, so you want to utilize the existing resources, so those are brownfield infrastructure projects. Okay, so as I said, we have some projects which are underutilized, which haven't been utilized yet, and government is planning to spend some money. They are planning to use the technology to extract the money out of these infrastructure projects. So that's why this asset monetization program, this asset monetization pipeline will be launched now. Now it is a 4-year pipeline. Just remember this fact. It is a 4-year pipeline. Okay. In fact, Union budget laid a lot of emphasis on asset monetization. So from the prelims perspective, asset monetization becomes extremely important. So asset monetization means you have these projects, okay? These are brownfield infrastructure projects. Now these brownfield infrastructure projects are not producing enough dividend. So under this program, these projects will be monetized. It means government will find a way to extract more money out of these infrastructure projects. It means these projects will be available for the investment. It means investors, they will be invited to use these resources. Okay, so this is how government will earn the money. Or maybe government will spend the money, government will use technology and other methods to extract, to take out more money out of these infrastructure projects. Okay, so this is what asset monetization is. Okay, and you must know the difference between greenfield and brownfield infrastructure projects. Greenfield means when you are setting up new facilities. It means you are spending the money on new infrastructure projects. Brownfield means when you are utilizing the existing resources or existing facilities. Okay, so that's all you need to know as far as this national monetization pipeline is concerned. And we'll make another video as and when more details will be released by the government. And you can download this PPT for substantiating your notes. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. And you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. We upload daily current affairs content and MCQs on our various social media platforms. That's all I wanted to discuss regarding this project, and I'll see you in the next session soon. Thank you.